Hello everyone, this is Pranesh from SNS Institutions. Imagine waking up one day and suddenly a machine can write poetry, answer legal questions, and even help you debug computer code. This is exactly what happened when OpenAI released in ChatGPT in late 2022. OpenAI is an artificial intelligence research company based on San Francisco, and it was founded with a mission to make sure that AI benefits all of humanity. Before ChatGPT, most AI tools felt cold and robotic. They gave us the short answer or failed to understand normal human conversations. But ChatGPT changed everything because it was built on something called GPT architecture, which stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformers. The result was an AI that could talk like a human. Remember what you just said and adapt its tone based on how you asked a question. It became popular so fast that it has reached 1 million users in just 5 days. Schools, offices, and homes everywhere started talking about it. For the first time, ordinary people could chat with an AI that actually felt intelligent and helpful. This is why ChatGPT matters. It did not just introduce a new product, it introduced a new way of thinking about the machines can do for us every single day. And the story of how it changed the world is still being written right now as a million people open their browsers and start typing questions they never thought a machine could answer. And this is just the beginning of a long and exciting journey. And ChatGPT is the spark that lit the fire of the modern AI revolution. The company behind it, OpenAI, started as a non profit research lab, but they quickly realized that building a safe and powerful AI required enormous resources. So they created a capped profit structure to attract investors while keeping the original mission alive. The bold decision allowed them to train models on thousands of powerful computer chips, something only a handful of organizations in the world can afford to do. So, what is ChatGPT actually made to do? Its primary purpose is to act as a conversational assistant that can understand and generate human-like text. You can ask it to explain a difficult topic like black holes, and it will break it down into a simple words. You can ask it to write a cover letter for a job, and it will adjust the tone to sound professional or friendly. One of the best feature is that it remembers the conversational history, so you can have a back or forth discussion just like with a real person. People use ChatGPT for so many real world tasks. Students use it to understand math problems or get feedback on essays. Creators use it to brainstorm video ideas, write scripts, or even came up with catchy titles. Professionals use it to draft mails, summarize long reports, or translate language in seconds. Another benefit is that it saves times. Instead of spending hours searching through websites, you can ask ChatGPT directly and get a clear answer. The free version is available to anyone with an internet connection, which makes it incredibly accessible. It also helps people struggle with writing or organizing their thoughts. Over time, OpenAI added a new ability like browsing the web, analyzing images, and even generating simple data charts. ChatGPT is not just a chatbot anymore. It is becoming a true digital teammate that helps people think better, work faster, and learn more deeper than ever possible before. This is why millions of people now started their day with a conversation with ChatGPT before they even talk to another human. The paid version called ChatGPT Plus gives user access to the most advanced model, fast response time, and priority access during peak hours. But even the free version remains one of the most powerful tools ever offered to the public at no cost. Looking ahead, ChatGPT will keep evolving and changing the way we live and work. The biggest advantage is how it brings AI to everyone, not just programmers or big companies. A small business owners can use it to handle customer questions. A teacher can use it to create lessons plans. A writer can use it to break through creative blocks. However, there are real risks too. ChatGPT can sometimes give wrong answers with a great confidence, and that can mislead people. It does not truly understand what it says, it just predicts words based on patterns. Privacy is another concern because your conversations might be stored and reviewed. Also, some people worry that AI like ChatGPT could replace human jobs in writing, customer service, and data entry. The competition is growing fast, Google has Gemini, Anthropic class Claude, Meta has Llama. Each one tries to be smarter, safer, and cheaper. But ChatGPT still holds a special place because it started the modern AI boom. In the end, ChatGPT is not just here to replace human minds. It is here to handle the repetitive things or tasks we can focus on creativity or empathy and big ideas. The future will not like a human versus AI. It will be like human and AI working as side by side as a partners. And ChatGPT opened the door for all of us on a quiet Tuesday in November when the world first said hello to a machine that talked back like a friend, and nothing has been same since that moment. As OpenAI continue to release new versions, the gap between human and machine conversation gets smaller every single day, and that is both exciting and a little bit scary. But one thing is certain: ChatGPT has already earned its place. History as its AI taught the world how to talk like a machines.